if each ABC contribute $100 to form a LLC, this $100 is called basis. Just like you buy something, your basis is $100. For any year, LLC pay back any money or any valuable property back to the member, as long as the value is under $100, it is not the income. So that's a good thing. Just like return your capital back to you. You don't report any capital gain at all. You don't report because you just get the money back, recover it back. So this is the beauty. This is another benefit under the LLC or partnership accounting. This is very important. This is very important. Everybody understand? This is very, very important.
Totally amount less than $100.
Yes. Every year. No, I just use $100 as example. How about $1 million? Right? It's not little. Depends on what kind of business you are. I just give you one idea. As long as the LLC pays you back the total amount below than your total amount you contribute to it, you don't report any income. You only reduce your basis. You need to do the bookkeeping. You pay out $100, that's your basis. You receive 10, 20, 50, you just add it up. Until the moment you receive total 100, from that moment on, then each dollar you start to report as your income. So this is the beauty of the partnership or LLC. That's a good thing. So that's another reason why LLC is getting more and more popular than the corporation. Of course, the problem for LLC, you cannot go public. I believe there's only one or two companies in the United States. I did not do the research. Is under the partnership, very, very special partnership. Otherwise, there is no public partnership company for the stock trading. No such thing. Any questions so far? Okay, let's go over this very quick. Okay, this is a 1065. Anybody use this? Anybody? Okay, if you form a LLC to own the title, other than husband and wife, say parents and children, you have your partner beyond husband and wife, then you need to file 1065. Or you have any other partner, okay, general partner, limited partner, whatsoever. Okay, you file 1065. All right, 1065 is not very popular. So next time when people talk about the 1065, this is for LLC, federal tax information. You don't pay tax, you just file this. Very similar to the S corporation we went over last week. Very, very similar. Right. So I just bring your attention. I don't want to spend too much time. Again, only one page, simple, and so many pages in the back. Okay. Like here, page 2. Other information. So I don't want to spend too much time. And by the end of this, the LLC issue again K1. K1. You're gonna receive the K1. K1 is very similar to like 1099. For individual, you receive 1099, right? 1099 means the document IRS can double check. If somebody paid you money more than $600. And they people issue you 1099 and 1099 sent to IRS, right? Then you are recipient, you need to report your income, just like this. But the bad thing for K1 is you don't necessarily receive cash. That's bad thing. 1099 at least mean you receive something and then you pay tax, this for sure. But the bad thing for K1, either from S corporation or from LLC, the bad thing is you only received K1 and the number on it. Multi-million-dollar, okay? Then you need to figure out any way to pay this. That's really the problem for K1. All right. Any questions so far?